Hello students, how are you? I hope all are fine. Once again, you know very well, I am Mr. K. Selvamani sitting in front of you. So first of all, I welcome all of you to our YouTube channel. This is Python video lesson number 52. In previous lesson, that is Python video lesson number 51, we studied about how to position child widgets in the top level window. That is geometry manager. Three types we use. One is pack, grid, and then place. What is the difference between these three? That also we studied in last lesson. That is Python video lesson number 51. Now we are going to study about message box. So what do you mean by message box? You know very well, as a GUI application user, most of the GUI applications, if want to tell some information, some error messages to the user, it will generate message box with info, warning, error, or if need some question, if want to write some questions and need answer from the user. For that also, the application will generate message box with OK cancel, yes no cancel, or retry cancel like this. Now in this lesson, we are going to study about how to create these message boxes using TK Inter. That is what we are going to study in this lesson. Very interesting. We will start. As usual, first we will see the theory part, then we can create one program which clearly explains message box concept. So message box is here one model. Even though I typed in capital letter, it is small letter only. In model name is small letter only. This is a model used to display message boxes. So it has following functions. Depending upon the necessity. If you want to show some information, show info. If you want to show some warning, show warning like this. If you need some answer from the user, it will write yes, no, cancel like this. So first one is show info. Show info is available within message box model. Similarly, show warning. Third one is show error. Fourth one is ask question. Ask question. Fifth one is ask OK cancel. Sixth one is ask yes no. Ask retry. Sorry, retry cancel. These are the functions which are available under message box model. Now I will write one small program which clearly explain these functions, usage of this function. So this is PRG program to explain functions of message box. So first we must import TK Inter. From TK Inter import star. In addition to that, we must import message box. From TK Inter import message box. Okay. So So we import all the functions available under tkinter. In addition to that, we import all the functions available within messagebox model. This is a sub-model or child model which is available under tkinter. tkinter as messagebox, messagebox as so many functions, whatever we studied, show info, show error, show warning, like this. Now I will write one small function which function can get input from the user. The input maybe lies in between 1 to 7. The user press number 1, we will get show info dialog box, that is message box. If the user press number 2, we will get show warning message box, likewise. Okay, so def show is here one function. So is here one function. After this, we have to get some input from the user. So input, input, you know very well how to get input. Input, enter, choice. The choice lies in between 1 to 7. Good. So we need one more bracket. Good. So now CH contains any one number. It lies in between 1 to 7. Now if CH is 1, that is double equal to 1. That means user type number 1. So we like to display show info box. Message box dot show info. Message box is a one model. Within the model, show info is there. So I like to display one text here. Word. One is title, another one is text. Title is very well. That will be available in the title bar. Message box contains title bar as well as body. The title will be displayed on the title bar. Text will be displayed on the text body. So here, hello success. So we have to give two text. One is title, another one is body. That's all. Likewise, we just copy and paste it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So first one is show info. Second one is show warning. Warning. Third one is error. Fourth one is ask questions. If you want to change the content title as well as text, you can change it. Ask question. Like this, do you want to continue? Like this, we can place it here. Ask question. Here, ask OK, cancel. Here, yes, no. Ask yes, no. Here, retry, cancel. Ask retry, cancel. Retry, cancel. 1, 2, here, I must type number 3. Change it as number 4. Change it as number 5. Similarly, 6, 7. So if a user gives values out of range 1 to 7, then that should be handled else. That is wrong choice. Wrong choice. This is our function. Now come to our tkinter. We must create root as usual. tk. We need one button. Button 1 equal to button root 1 text. That means so we have one button. Click me. So if you click this button, that is button 1. The show function should be called using command handler. Command equal to show. We know very well how to use command handler. Then we need one geometry manager pack, that is top level, it will be placed. Then root 1 dot main loop. That's all. So once again I will check the program. Input that one in info show warning, show error, ask question, ask OK cancel, ask yes no, ask retry cancel, wrong choice. We are creating one root window. There is top level window. We are creating one button and that will be placed on the top level window. Then with the text click me, command show. If we click this button 1 with the text click me, this function will be called. At the time user gets program gets from the user enter choice. If user types number 1, CG that condition will be true. Message box show info will be displayed with low world as a title, allow success as a text. We will see. That's all. I save the program and then I will run the program. You will see the output. One, 0. I just run the program. So we got one top level window with one button with the text click me. Okay, so far no problem. Button 1 is created with the click me. If I click this button 1, this show will be called. See it here. Here it is. Enter choice. Here I am pressing number 1. User press number 1, press enter. You will get one more message box like this. See it here. This is what we expected. Here see, this symbol stands for show info. This symbol stands for show info. This is the title. This is the text. See it here. Since we are using show info here, we got this message box. Allow well, allow success. Allow well comes at display at the title bar. Allow success displayed at the body. That's good. So now we can try out once again. It shows wrong choice. Once again, that should not display. Okay, instead of we have to press else if. Else if. That is why it display wrong choice also. Without using simple if, we must use this. Okay. Now we can try it once again. We got, now I press number 1 here. We got this one, allow success. If you click OK, there is no wrong. Good. Likewise, we can try it one by one. So now I like to press number 2. It will be displayed allow success. That is, this symbol stands for warning. Similarly, number 3. This symbol stands for show error. Then number 4. That is ask question with yes no. You can press yes or no. There will be one question. Do you want to continue? That means yes. Good. Then 5. It displays OK cancel. This symbol OK cancel question. Number 6. Yes no. Good. Number 7. You can either press retry or cancel. Good. If we press number 8, it should show wrong test. Good. So far no problem. So once again, here I want to retrieve the value. whatever you click in the message box. That is also we must know how. I will explain here. If I click here, for example, I am giving number 3. Show error. If I click OK, the value what we clicked here should be displayed. This case OK. If we give number 6, we must know what we click, either yes or no. If I click yes, it will return true. Similarly, if we click no, the program should know what user click, either yes or no. Here, false should be returned. That is most important. We will see how to change the program. Just click. Now it does not show any output from the, it's not get any input from the message box. If we click OK, it should display OK. If we click cancel, it should display cancel like this. We will see. I save the same program with some other name. That is 171. Now here, that's also very simple. Here place print. That's a very simple. That means if a user gives number 1, info message box will be displayed. If we click OK, the value will be displayed in the will be returned to the program. By using this, you can easily understand what values. Here only one value asking, but here ask question. The option will be 2. One is yes or no. So the program must know what the user press, yes or no. Whatever you can print it. Here also only one value because it is warning. Here also only one value. It is show error. Whereas here it will give 2 options. One is yes, another one is no. If you click yes, it will display yes. If you click no, it will display no. In some cases, it will give true or false. Ask OK, cancel. If you click OK, it will give true. If you click cancel, it will return false likewise. Yes, no. That's all. We'll see. Here we got one top level window with one command button. I just click it here. Here I like to type number 1. We will got one message box, show info. Here only one option is there, that is OK. If I click the OK, that will be displayed. See OK. That is what we expected. Again, we try to do number 2. The warning will be displayed. It's also having only one option. OK, good. So far, no problem. We can proceed. Show error. Here, OK, good. Here 4 is there. So it has 2 options. If you click yes, you will get yes. Similarly, if you press number 4, that is no, you will get no. That is what we expected. Okay. So again, 5, it has OK, cancel. So OK returns true. Cancel means false. Likewise, it will display. We can try out number 6. It's also returns true, false. True. No. Based on the values returned, that is yes, no, or true, false, we can generate again program. We can proceed with someone else. Okay. So that's all. 7th one is retry. Retry also true. Cancel. If we click cancel, it will give false. So similarly, if we are giving number 8, it gives wrong. Good. So Now you understand how to use message function. What are the message, how to import message box and how to access the functions available within the message box. Good. Next, we are going to study about how to display some message into our top level window. That is what we are going to learn. So for that, message is a one function which is used to display some text on the top level window. You will see message. That's all. Message is a one function which is used to display text on top level window. That's a very simple. Message is a one function which is used to display some text on the top level window. Now I'll write one more program to explain message. We are going to explain message. So first we have to import from tk inter import star. So then we must create one top level window tk. Then message one equal to, so message is with capital M. We have to mention top level window, comma text. What text should be displayed on the top level window? That should be give. I like to display our institute name, success computer. Otherwise, whatever text you want to display on the top level window, you should type it here. I like to change the font face as well as font size of the text. That is success computer should be a little bit bigger in size. That is config. Here font equal to, within bracket we have to mention font face as well as font size. If you want to increase, still you can increase 16, 18 like this. Then this message, two bracket we have to place it here. Then this message should be packed. That position the text, that position the message on the top level window. Then root one dot main loop. That's all. I can check the program, import, and we are creating top level window. We are creating a message, text with success computerification with the font 14 size. Okay, it's packed. That's good. Now I will save the program. Now I run the program. This is the output. See it here. We are getting one text that is displayed on the top level window using message. So today I stopped here itself. Now we studied how to place message, how to create message box using these 7 functions, 7 types of message box. How to get the values from the message box also we studied. In addition to that, how to display some messages over the top level window using message function. That is what we studied. So I hope all of you enjoyed this lesson. So in next lesson, we will study a little bit more. Until then, thank you students. Bye-bye.